Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change ambient lighting in an Audi S5. Start by switching the car to accessory mode so the infotainment and lights are active. Then locate the lighting menu on the MMI screen and connect a phone if you prefer app control. Remove any trim gently if you plan to swap bulbs or strips, and keep a soft cloth handy to avoid scratches while you work step by step. First, access the car settings and open interior lighting on the MMI screen. Then use the color wheel or preset chips to select your preferred ambience and adjust the brightness slider until the cabin feels balanced. If you want synchronized zones, apply the chosen color to all zones and save it to your driver profile so settings recall automatically, making short test drives to see the effect in different conditions. If you prefer a physical upgrade, select compatible LED strips or Audi-style modules and remove trim pieces carefully to access mounting channels. Disconnect the battery when handling connectors and route wiring behind panels to hide cables neatly. Test each section before reassembly to confirm color and brightness. Then reattach trim and run a final check using the MMI lighting menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.